Woo! What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stunner Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. Hey, check it. You know I'm always on the scene, getting what's up first. So I got to let y'all know about this new meme token that just launched less than 24 hours ago, man. Hey, check this out, baby. The price is starting to go back up. And before it's released on PancakeSwap to the public, it only got another $7,000 worth to come in. Man, you know what? I came over here and I had to cop mine, man. I got me some of this FlapJax right here. Look at this FlapJax. I got me, what? 306 million FlapJax tokens? Man, this price going up. And the dev, he only get like 1%. So it's a fair launch, guys. It's a fair launch. Y'all better get in right now because when the price pumps and this goes public, man, it's just up the hill from there, guys. My name's Stinky Breezy. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe. You know what I need. Hey, I ain't got no referral links on this one. But you know what? I'm trying to change my style. You know, like I really care for y'all. And I'm just gonna leave the link to this PancakeSwap in the description so you can go straight here. And I don't get no money for this, guys. I don't get no money, you know. But still, y'all pump it so I can make some money. Okay? That's how we do it up in Stunnerville. Alright, guys. Again, hit that like button, hit that subscribe. Holla at your boy.